Hello, here is step-by-step guide for creating a watercolor sketch. First of all, we prepare materials, then we start creating a sketch. We are focusing on proportions and positioning of the figures. Start with basic shapes to outline the head, torso and limbs. Add details like clothing folds, facial expressions and gestures. Prepare a light wash. Mix soft pastel shades to create a dreamy effect. Then start with a light base layer for the background and larger areas. Gradually build up by adding slightly darker tones in shadowed areas. Use wet and wet techniques to create the blurred abstract effect. Wet the paper where you want soft colors to blend. Drop in colors and let them bleed into each other naturally. Use a small brush for details like hair or clothing patterns. Avoid heavy or bold colors that might overpower the figures. For the skin tones, mix a warm base with a tiny bit of pink, yellow ochre and water. Burnt sienna plus red and blue for medium darker skin tones. Add blush with a watered down red or pink. It is good to choose a limited palette. If we use 3 to 5 colors, it's usually enough. For correcting mistakes, I use white acrylic. With a flat brush, I cover the areas which I would like to change a little bit. For outline, use a fine tip waterproof pen. Focus on essential lines such as facial features, clothing details, and contours. Use varied line thickness for interest.